Hey guys, it's me Bunny, and today we're here at the airplane story with Silly and Kiwi.
I'm
Alright.
seat number 6, so I sit right here.
I'm A6. Oh, we're gonna be next to each other! This is first class. We're not in first class. First class is down here. See?
You got A.
No, first class is way down here. Oh, Captain says we are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving at our destination in no time. Feel free to explore the airplane. Alright, well, I'm safe over here. I don't know about you guys, though. And I got a window seat. We got window seats.
I'm a passenger.
You're a passenger? Look.
Ooh, there's a code.
Alright, there's a code. Where's the code? Tell me. Oh, I see it. That's the phone number. Oh! 5.
Please find your seat.
Oh, we gotta find our seat. Ooh, right.
Yes,
See, first class is over here.
I thought that A is in first class. Okay. Oh no.
Sit.
I'm sitting.
I'm not sitting. Oh, I made it. I thought I wouldn't have made it. Ah, it's shaking my screen, bro. I was telling me to sit. I was saying like magic words. Thank you for your cooperation. All right, can I get up again? I kind of want to go back to exploring. I don't want to sit here all day. Oh yeah, I think we can get up. Oh.
Here's the rest.
Get ready as our crew prepares snacks for everybody. Oh, gotta get back to my seat, bro. Bruh, I don't want to keep sitting in my seat. Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Ooh, look at this. I'm gonna eat my sandwich. Wait,
I'm gonna save my sandwich for later.
Yeah, me too.
You know what? I'm just gonna eat it.
It was so good. They added extra mayonnaise,
That
y'all.
was really good.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna.
They added extra mayonnaise. Your food's gonna spoil.
Does not.
Anyways.
I'm not feeling very well.
Well, you alright? Yeah, it was double tail. Oh no! Oh no! We gotta find something, bro. Oh no! Thankfully, I found it.
Oh,
It says B Kids.
thank you so much. That was a close one.
Thank you, B Kids. Anytime. I'm amazing, by the way. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride.
I wanna look at.
Alright, I guess you're saying.
Check out first class real quick. Oh man.
Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Are you all right? Guys, look! What is that on the right wing? Right wing, let me check, let me check. Ah! It's a monster! There's a monster on the window! You will not survive! Ah! Are those snakes? They're snakes! Get on the seat! Hurry! It's on the seat! Get on like the top seat! Why are you in first class? They can get on the seat in first class. Go to the beginning. Go hide. I have good news and bad news. Can we hear the good news first? The good news is the power is back up. Bad news is we are losing a significant amount of loot. Max will drop from your seat. You're gonna drop the seat. Where'd they go? Go grab one, Neil. Grab one. Find it. No. I don't see any. I died. I'm gonna revive. Still alive? Alright, I'm still alive. No, they changed my seat, bro. I got Jason. Where are y'all? Okay, let me find my seat. Huh? You can stop breathing like that. What was that? It looks like a bomb! Oh no! Team, welcome to the bomb. Okay, everyone, calm down. If we find something sharp, cut the cables. We might be able to save Silly. Look for like scissors or something. I found a pair of scissors. Wow. Beacons is really good at this. Which cable should I cut? Choose blue. Trust me, it's blue. It's blue. Blue. I will cut the blue cable. Get away! No! Her body is still here. We didn't make it. We have to get up. Why did you do that? I told you, Beacon. It was blue. It's just us. We'll always remember you, Lily. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything. Where's the captain anyway? Oh, the crew should be back here, right? Nope, never mind. They're on the other side. Ugh, I hate walking so much. Alright, I think the crew is over here. Where'd they go? Oh, they're over here! I found them! They are unconscious! We need to alert the captain. Quickly, get to the captain's room. Go, go! It's gonna be near first class for sure. Oh my God. Let's go! Ah, got to the captain! It's locked! Something is happening. The captain might be in trouble. This door needs code. Oh, I found the code. I know what the code is. Hurry up. All right, I know it. Why can't I unlock it? Oh, we have to tap the code. Go tap the code. Good job. And be kids. All right, let's get inside the captain's room. Ah! The creature! Get away! Well, why don't hide over here? You'll pay for what you've done. We did nothing. Just leave us be. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. Can very crazy flight. I just want to be home already.
Why?
Can't. I can't fly it. So, should we check on the cabin? Oh, now all we need to do is find the emergency phone. I know what that is. I know what the emergency phone is. All right, let's go now. I think we can go. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes. Yes, we are okay. The autopilot mode is on. Okay, we've traced your location and we're taking control. Thank you, airport crew. You're so Hey, how come we can't go? There's one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Oh, vote me, vote me! I found it. Come on. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat. Oh, you gotta go. He thinks he can take the seat. No, this other person's trying to get onto the seat before I do. Go. No. Oh, no. It's alright. Alright, you're driving for us right now. Okay, everyone, I got this. You failed us the last time. I can't even move. Oh no. Oh no. It is back. And I can't run away. You humans. If I were you, your destination has already been written. Oh, your destiny. Last chance. The kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crash this plane, and we will rule under for eternity. Don't do it! Please don't do it! I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are so weak. Oh, there. This is not the last time you see me. Okay, he saved us! We're saved! Yeah! It's gone! I'm sure it was just a riddle, right? Yeah. I'm gonna throw up. Ew. Don't throw up on the captain.
But I still. At least I hope the captain was okay.
We survived! Yes!
Yay, and I still have my ticket.
LOL.